Hi, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to review VILVAH Aloe Vera Gel, and many of you have asked me to try this one out, and yeah, what my viewers ask, they get that. So I have this VILVAH Aloe Vera Gel with me, and I have checked the ingredients list on the container and on their website, and they both match. In past, while talking about VILVAH's conditioner, I pointed out the ingredients list on their website and on the container they don't match. So then VILVAH contacted me and they said that it might have been a mistake and they will work on it. You will find the screenshot on my community tab, and it was a healthy talk, and I have even asked them to make one fragrance free line, even one gentle face wash with a pH of 5.5, fragrance free obviously. I hope VILVAH works there because there is definitely this big vacuum for fragrance free skincare, and I don't know why, because fragrance, we don't know what they're using under this term, because this is not one ingredient, this is one trade secret. Brands can add any components under this term fragrance, so we are not sure, and this is one main reason for skin sensitivity, skin irritation, fragrance. And this aloe vera gel is fragrance free. We pay $350 for 100 grams, and I'm so happy they didn't put green color in it like most of the brands, and I have tasted the pH. And this is exactly what aloe vera gel's pH should be, which is closer to our skin's normal pH. Oh, I want to tell you one more thing. Many brands, they try to manipulate us. They say that okay, it doesn't have any artificial or chemical fragrance, but they might have natural fragrance, which can be equally bad. So now let's talk about the ingredients list. First is 99% aloe vera juice, very good. Then they have xanthan and guar gum, which can work as thickening and stabilizing agents. Then we have EcoGuard ECT. So this is preservative, and this is actually blend of 4 ingredients. I jotted them down. These are benzyl alcohol, salicylic acid, glycerin and sorbic acid. So they mix these 4 ingredients and get this preservative, and this is known as EcoGuard ECT. This is accepted by EcoSart, Cosmos and NPA. NPA is Natural Personal Care. I have told you that I have this prejudice against this benzyl alcohol, but it is safe, as I told you many times, that if it's used in low concentration, and since I know this has 99% aloe vera juice, then these 2 gums, then this preservative, the blend of these 4 ingredients, so I'm okay with that because this actually can be safe when it's used in low concentration. Benzyl alcohol and salicylic acid, don't think it's going to work as BHA here because it has used in a very low percentage. Even glycerin, it cannot work as humectant here because it is in a very low concentration. So these are the ingredients. Now how this product is actually, this is actually kind of thick, and this is actually how aloe vera gel is, because I have used this raw aloe vera gel, but I won't recommend you to use that straight from the tree because it has certain impurities that needs to be taken care of. Aloe vera gel can have 98% of water, and then it can have vitamins, enzymes, minerals. Use this with your moisturizer, but don't make it your only moisturizer. This gel is thick and sticky, and I understand why, because it has 99% of aloe vera juice. And I have used other aloe vera products, they are like non-sticky. I know why, because they add glycols, other things to make the texture light and non-sticky. I have used one from Face Shop. It has so many ingredients like essential oils, fragrance and everything, so that's a turn off for me. Then Innisfree, it has like 1% aloe gel in their aloe gel, but I like that product because it works for me, but it is mostly water and glycol, the Innisfree one, but this is 99% aloe vera gel. So how I use it, see, I cannot use this as my face moisturizer because it doesn't moisturize or hydrate my skin enough. So I use this as a face mask, or I mix it with my moisturizer, very little quantity. Don't apply too much because it's gonna make your skin sticky. When I've been out in the sun, I use this aloe vera gel as a face mask. I put it in the freezer and I apply it when it's cold, and it feels really good. VILVAH claims that it's gonna provide moisture, soothe irritated skin, good for post sun exposure. I agree there, but they say that it's gonna remove dark circle. I don't think so. It might work for like puffy eyes, but dark circles, I don't think so. I love this tin tub, and I had this spatula with me, but VILVAH doesn't provide it, so you better get your own spatula or wooden spoon. We can use this as it is, but it becomes a little sticky, and if you apply it too much, it's gonna be really sticky. It can be applied around our eyes and it actually feels very soothing. I keep this in my freezer. To make it less sticky, what we can do, we can mix few drops of squalane with it. Then you can use this on our skin and it makes it more moisturizing, hydrating and less sticky. We can add this aloe gel in our face mask as well. One more thing, aloe gel can only work on surface acne. It cannot work on cystic or deeper acne. And we can mix it with our moisturizer as well, but don't replace your moisturizer with this aloe vera gel or any aloe vera gel, because it is not going to be enough for your skin. Because I've seen many people do it. They just use face wash, then they put aloe vera gel and they expect to have some kind of a miraculous effect. No, we need moisturizers, because moisturizers, they have emollient, occlusive, then humectants. Aloe vera gels can be hydrating and to some extent it can moisturize our skin, but we need our moisturizers. So I advise not to replace your moisturizer or creams with this aloe gel, because I don't think it's gonna be a good idea. For hair, I can't use this because this is expensive and it has only 100 ml of product in there, and I have kind of long hair, you can see. If I apply this, then I'm gonna be running out of this product like in one day. So yeah, and that's all for now. I hope you found this video to be helpful and thank you so much for watching. And please don't forget to subscribe if you want to watch more videos like this. See you very soon. Bye bye.